You can also make notes on a section of text. To do this, left-click and drag the cursor over the selection of text or question you want to make notes on. Then right-click and select the Notes option. Your chosen section of text will be highlighted and a yellow notepad will appear. You can write your notes on this. Click on the cross in the notepad to hide your notes. To see your notes again, click on the highlighted section of text. If you want to see which areas of highlighted text have notes, move the cursor slowly over each area of highlighted text. If a small orange box appears, it means the highlighted text contains notes. To remove notes from the text or questions, right-click on the highlighted area and select Clear. The examiner will not see any highlighted text, and if you leave any highlighted text in your test result will not be affected. If you need to leave the test room for a few minutes to use the bathroom, you can hide your screen by clicking on the Hide button. Please remember, if you do need to go to the bathroom during the test, put your hand up to attract the attention of the invigilator. When you return to the test room, click on the Resume Test button.